Hello friends. This is Android developer from Game App Studio, and today we are going to put a spotlight on speech-to-text in Android Studio. First I create new Android Studio project in Java. Now I choose a drawable vector asset from Vector Drawable and save into Drawable folder. Now I go to Activity Resource File and create layout. I add two views. First one is image button, which is used for record audio. Another one is text view, used to shows the recorded text. Now go to Activity class and create the variable for image button and text view and find their ID. Now add on click listener method to image button. Now create recognizer intent, which is used to recognize speech. Now override on activity result method and an if statement for verifying the request code, and then get text from intent data and set into text view. Now I run the project in external device. Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned, and please like and subscribe to this channel and never miss any updates.